Yeah, this is a tutorial on how to create your own event currency on Apexium. So first you go to the event dashboard, you look for the sidebar, you look for event currency, click on event currency, then you can see these are the templates of how the event currency will look like after printing. Then you say, okay, create event. So there are two types of event currency. One is self-managed currency printing. So in this case, what the system wants you to do is just um, have you a picture you want to use for the event, for you want to use as your for the currency. Now the system will design the currency and send to you. So once you add, of course, you make payments. Once you make payments, Apexium will get notification, and within 14 days, Apexium will design based on the picture and send to your email, send the design template to your email so that you can approach your printer and they can print it for you as you like. Since you want to be the one to print, all you just want is Apexium to help you design the the currency. So that is that for that. Then for the other one is Apexium managed currency deployment. So in this case, you want Apexium to help you design, print, and also manage at your event, like manage the exchange for you at your event. So what happens is there are two types of currency. There's a non-redeemable currency and there's also the redeemable currency. So the non-redeemable currency are currencies that once you exchange, the money is going directly into the celebrant account. It's not going anywhere. So spraying that money is just for you to just like a public acknowledgement that I'm gifting the celebrant. While the redeemable currency are currencies that once you spray somebody, that person can redeem that money. Imagine you go for an event and maybe you spray the celebrant, now you want to spray the musician or maybe people dancing. Once you spray, they can go and exchange that money, that currency, they can exchange it for real money. So that's why you have the non-redeemable and the redeemable currency. So here you have to set the amount you want. Now for non-redeemable, you say maybe 100, you want 200 naira notes, you want 100, 500 naira notes, you want 100. So that means 100 means that 100 is 2,000, you know. So let's say 1,000, let's say 1,100. So let's say continue. Now it's going to display what you have done. So what you have done is that for non-redeemable 200, for non-redeemable you want 20,000 because of the quantity. So you can adjust the quantity based on what you want and depending on the people you are expecting to come. And you can also skip. It's not compulsory that you set the 200 naira note. You can decide to set only 5,000, only 5,000, only 500 and 1,000, or even only 1,000, depending on you can be creative about it. Yeah, it's unique, and you can just be creative about it. But Apexium will charge you a fixed rate for the design fee and also a fixed rate for a rate for the printing fee, and also they will now come to your event to to help you handle the exchange. You can also still check the event currency service agreement to understand more about how this thing works, and that's the arrangement between you and Apexium. So once you do this, of course, it's going to ask you to add a picture. That's the picture that will be used to design the currency. Then once you say pay, it takes you to Paystack to finalize your payment. Yeah, so let's say you have made the payment, then automatically takes you back to the page. Yeah, it automatically takes you back to the page. Now the payment has been confirmed successful. Then now you can, yeah, so now you can see this is what you have done. So it's giving you a clear understanding of this is what you have asked Apexium to do. Then you can also still come on the day of the event. Apexium will use this to record the exchange. So for instance, if you say income, you say maybe name Adewale is exchanging maybe let's say 5,000, let me say 10,000. Type is exchange redeemable. So add. So that means Adewale has exchanged 10,000. Yeah, Adewale has exchanged 10,000 at the commission charge is 500 naira. So this will give you an insight of what is going on. So even while sitting anywhere, you can just be monitoring what's happening on your mobile phone. And also you can see the redeemable and non redeemable. So you can always tally this with what you asked for, what you paid for. You can always check it, cross check the two, the both, so to know that the reason is for accountability purpose. So that is how you create event currency on Apexium. Thank you.